Welcome class prep. This is page number 89 and let's read. And this is the second page of our addition and subtraction problems. So in a traffic jam, there are 15 red cars and 12 blue cars. All right. How many cars are there in total? So we have to do total cars by adding them together. So I can do simple by writing tens and unit and then adding them directly here by adding units to unit and then by adding tens to 10. Or the other method, I can write them in the vertical form like this, and then I can do addition by units with the units and tens with the tens like this. So your choice, whatever the way you want to do. The rest of the boxes, not the boxes, rest of the question, you have to follow the instructions accordingly, right? Now, this is question 2. This chart shows the different ways that some children come to school. All right, how many children come to school by walk, by bus, and by car? So let's count it together. It's easier. We know that this is 5, this is 5. 5 and 5 makes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 comes by walk, 6 come by bus, and 7 come by car. So write the totals for each way that the children come to school. All right, what we have to do? All right, we have done the totals first. And now, how many more children walk than travel by car? So when they ask about how many more, how many fewer, whenever this kind of questions come, we know that they want us to find the difference. So they want us to find the difference, many more or how many fewer. We have to find the difference. So we have to find the difference between the children who walk. So they want us to find the difference between 14 and travel by car, 7. So we have to find the difference between these two numbers. So if I am trying to find the difference from 14 and I have to reach 7, I will do the backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, and then 2 more, 8 and 7. I'm sorry, I can't use my other hand, but you can. So whenever, however you feel comfortable, you can write. So I'm going to write my answer here. You can do by doing forward counting after 7 to reach 14, and then you will get the answer as well. Now see how many children travel by bus and car all together. So all together we know what we have to do. Yes, class prep, you are smart enough to know how many children are there all together. Now add up all these children all together. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. First we will count forward from 14 to 6 and then count forward to add 7 more. Thank you very much. That's the end of this page. Any kind of difficulty, you are always welcome to contact me.